Take a shiny object, breathe on it.
It's time for another 2-minute tech tip.
Welcome, my name is Nimphius and I'm from the Oracle Digital Assistant Product Management team. In this 2 minutes I want to talk about a new REST API that we added to Oracle Digital Assistant for you to query the conversation logs for a specific user-bot interaction, which is a session. Here's the documentation of the REST API. Get conversation logs if logging is enabled on a bot can be used to query a specific session content in the logs. For this, however, you have to perform authentication, which also is explained in our documentation. The query that you can then perform could be from all kind of REST clients, curl, Postman, or a custom component, as I do here in my demo. I do have a financial skill where I'm checking the balance for my savings account. Looks good, so next I want to send some money. So from the saving accounts to Sasha, and then I want to send $150. Now what this now does is it asks me if I want to execute the transaction or if I want to have a summary of the conversation. Now this now calls the custom component, which has access to the session, and it authorizes to the logs and then obtains the conversation in a you said, we said manner. But that's the way that I implemented it. You can also implement it in a way that you send the conversation to the user in an email or whatever you like to do. So I'm all okay with that. So I'm executing the transaction and I'm fine with that now. So the custom component is added to a dialog flow. And for you, so you get it easy to start with this approach, we have an article written on Oracle Tech Exchange about how to read this conversation logs, and then it provides you with a custom component code so that you can start from there and just whatever you want to update or modify that code, use it in your skill.
Was that a good tip?
I mean, why don't you try it?
We want your opinion. Thanks for watching and stay tuned.